What's going on, everybody? Today I'm gonna do a little something different, you know, something a lot of people aren't used to. I'm gonna put this bolt right here on my head, put it right here sideways. This design is gonna be difficult because I can't see back here, you know, my eyes can only reach to a certain point. So let's see how that goes. This is gonna be harder than I thought.
Purchase your tracks today.
Alright. Kids, don't try this at home unless you wanna risk fucking your head up. I'm a professional. I've been doing this since like 2009. I usually focus on designs on the side of my head, never on the top. But try new things, so let's see how it turns out.
Purchase your tracks today.
Whew. This shit is scary, not gonna lie.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
This is how it's looking so far. Debating whether I should stop or not.
Purchase your tracks today.
But I feel like I should keep going because I'm not a quitter. So I'm hoping it goes well. This shit is hard, believe it or not. It's hard to see back here. You know, I don't have eyes up here. So shit is hard. Here we go though. don't think y'all understand how hard this is. It's just hard. Now I'm just gonna thicken the lines to make it look a lot better. Alright. Alright, so I'm done with the design. Now I'm just gonna clean up the rest of my hair. And then stay tuned because I'm gonna have my homegirl go ahead and dye this for me. Alright, so check it out. I'm out here with Mary, you know, the best. Fulfill the vision that I had, you know, and this is teamwork makes the dream work. Yeah. Shout out to LBS. Yeah. You know, my homegirl had hooked me up. Teamwork makes the dream work. She barred it. She did her thing.